Hello everyone and welcome back to Optic Flow. Today we'll be discussing the fascinating topic of extinct animals that scientists are trying to bring back. As humans, we've always been fascinated by the creatures that roamed the Earth before us. Unfortunately, many of them went extinct due to human actions, climate change, or natural disasters. But thanks to advancements in technology, scientists are now attempting to bring back some of these species. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 extinct animals that scientists are trying to bring back. Our first extinct animal on the list is the woolly mammoth. This majestic creature lived during the last ice age and went extinct about 4,000 years ago. Scientists are trying to bring it back using a process called de-extinction. This process involves extracting DNA from the remains of the animal and then inserting it into the egg of a similar living species, such as an elephant. While it is still a work in progress, scientists believe that they could potentially bring back the woolly mammoth within the next few decades. Next up, we have the passenger pigeon, which was once one of the most abundant bird species in North America. Unfortunately, they were hunted to extinction in the early 20th century. However, scientists are now trying to bring them back by using genetic engineering to recreate the bird's genome. The goal is to create a bird that looks and behaves like the original passenger pigeon. While this process is still in its early stages, scientists are optimistic that they could one day revive this species. Our third extinct animal on the list is the dodo, which was native to Mauritius, an island in the Indian Ocean. The dodo went extinct in the late 17th century due to hunting by sailors and invasive species. Scientists are now trying to bring the dodo back by using the same de-extinction process that we mentioned earlier. They have managed to extract DNA from dodo remains and are working on inserting it into the eggs of its closest living relative, the Nicobar pigeon. While this process is still in its early stages, it's exciting to think that we could one day see the dodo roaming the Earth again. The fourth extinct animal on our list is the Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine. This carnivorous marsupial was native to Australia, Papua New Guinea, and Tasmania. It went extinct in the 20th century due to hunting and disease. Scientists are trying to bring the Tasmanian tiger back using the same de-extinction process that we've mentioned before. They have already managed to sequence the animal's genome, and the next step is to insert the DNA into the egg of a living species. While this process is still in its early stages, it's exciting to think that we could one day see this amazing animal again. Last but not least, we have the great auk, which was once native to the North Atlantic. This flightless bird went extinct in the 19th century due to overhunting for its meat, eggs, and feathers. Scientists are now trying to bring the great auk back by using a process called backbreeding. This involves selecting living bird species that are genetically similar to the great auk, and then breeding them until they resemble the original species. While this process is still in its early stages, it's exciting to think that we could one day see this majestic bird once again. And that concludes our list of 5 extinct animals that scientists are trying to bring back. While the idea of bringing back extinct animals may seem like something out of a science fiction movie, it's a very real possibility thanks to advancements in technology and genetics. However, it's important to note that there are ethical concerns surrounding de-extinction and bringing back extinct species. It's crucial that we consider the long-term effects of reintroducing these animals into their former ecosystems. Nonetheless, the possibility of seeing these magnificent creatures once again is truly remarkable. Thank you for tuning in to Optic Flow, and we'll see you in the next video.